Okay guys, I think I'll make a video of the custom and what's going in it. I bought two motors from the same guy, and thinking about putting the yellow one in it. I'm going to see if it'll fit. I want to see if I can get the biggest motor in this thing can. So it'll have the same horsepower as my ST16, because that is an ST16 motor. I'm going to take the generator off of it. I'm just going to make it pull start. And since it's already got the charging system coming out of it, I might test that, see if it's still good. I just took my ohm meter up to it, and probably gonna have to fix that wire where it's been sliced right there. But anyway, cause I'm thinking of putting this one in first, cause the carb kits are $12 and the fuel pump kit's $10 on eBay, and this one's carb kit is $30, around that, since it was more popular. But I'm gonna see if I can just get by with just cleaning that one's carb out, and I hope the fuel pump works. Then when I take this generator and shroud off, I think this is off the 10XL itself, or an orange 12. That generator never came out on the 16s, or the ST16s. They always came out on the Tecumsehs, which was that one over there, or the Tecumseh 12. The Tecumseh 12, because these are both Tecumsehs. I'll probably end up putting this generator on that one, and just have a backup one for my black and white one, because I'm thinking about keeping it till I die, probably. I like them tractors so much. I've been pulling around on my wheel horse. I borrowed my buddy's trailer, because, well, this is the reason I haven't been making any videos. And my whole front yard looked like that earlier. You can see my trees have been topped. Anyway, been sitting here for 3 days cleaning this up. Well, let's get back to custom. I'm gonna take the generator and side shot off the said. I'm gonna buy a new air filter, or see if that's got a good air filter in it, and just switch it over, because they're the same air filters. This one down here is sort of messed up. That is the side pulley, which I've already got another one. I'm gonna take these screws out right here. Well, that one just fell out. Put that back in. I got the studs for one. I got whole shrouds and everything for this from my other motor. The old motor that was on the black and white 12 that you all saw me switch out in one of my videos, it is gone. It is in the scrap yard, because it was just completely wore out. I think somebody got their money out of that motor real good. Got another plate right there, which was funny, because everything that I needed for my black and white tractor came on my motor. I needed the deck and everything. It came with my motor, the SEARS Suburban motor that I have. Everything came on that one. That's why I'm restoring the deck on the other one. I just started wire brushing it earlier, but I'm gonna get this custom running before I even touch it. And I got to clean the yard up while I'm on spring break this week. I gotta catch up with a bunch of stuff. He gave me 2 mufflers. We had to take that one's muffler out, which was on that. I've had pretty good luck with these yellow Tecumsehs. I was questionable about them for a while, and I'm in my yard with them for about 2 or 3 months. They're pretty strong motors. This one right here, I've never had really any good luck with these right here. Maybe it's just because I'm getting bad motors. I mean, I got them where they run good, but my black and white one, it just leaks oil like crazy. Just needs a whole new seal kit. I'm hoping I don't have to do anything to this one, just a carb kit at the most. But they really don't need a fuel pump, because I got a gas tank right above the motor. I just hope this overhead valve system will clear. This one's not all cracked up like my other one is. I hope it clear. I hope that carb will clear, because it's sticking out more than this carb. I just want to show you all the custom that's put together again. I hooked a transmission in it that I had on the shelf inside. I don't know if I ever told you all that. I think I showed it to everybody in my last video. You can see the new shiny bolts. I did not have the high and low mounting clips, which is mostly piece of flat steel and half a piece of pipe. That's what I did. I just took a piece of flat steel, drilled 2 holes side by side, and then just cut a piece of pipe in half and just welded them together, and then it just sits in there with a bunch of washers to space it out correctly. But it works fine. Transmission's in. It's got to change the oil in it because I spilled half the oil out of it, and the oil's wide anyway. Got to change the oil on that. But we've got to really change the oil in the wheel horse's rear end because it's starting to growl. I don't think anybody's ever changed the oil in it, but I don't think anybody's really used my wheel horse that much. But everything works on this. The cables are all free. That one's a little bit stuck, but it frees up. Switches work. Gotta get a little on-off switch down there. As I said, it's gonna be a wraparound start because I'm not really liking these batteries that much. There will be like a small motorcycle battery on there probably, just for my headlights, because he did give me some headlights. I just didn't get the mounts, little clips that hold them on. I do have some. I got a picture of them. I can probably make them, but everything's put together on this. All thing I got to do is switch these tires. I got another tire over there. Just the rims are different because on a custom they're more squished in, but the tires are the same. So I'm just going to, as I said, I got another tire just like this one. So I'm going on that side, take it to my tire shop and just have them switch out. And back tires are fine. I'm not going to paint this. At the most, I'm going to wash it, probably clear coat it. Decals are really good on this tractor. Yes, that is a custom 7 hood. That's actually the hood that goes on my custom 7. But I want to work on the 10 first, and they're the exact same hoods. But I'm going to fiddle around here on this for a little while. I did want to show you how my grenade shifter. This is actually a real grenade that was the Army surplus. What the previous owner of this grenade did, which was my uncle's brother-in-law, he just took this firing pin mechanism. The firing pin is still in there, and he unscrewed it and just like poured all the gunpowder out, and then put water in it to dilute the gunpowder, and then drilled a hole through it, and he just put it on a shifter just like that. But what I did was just weld a 9/16 nut on the bottom of it, which is 9/16, like if you put a wrench on it. I don't really know the bore. Just welded it around it, and it screwed right on. It does sort of hit my steering wheel, but if you push it a little bit forward, you can still shift. It's barely clearing everything, but it's fine. I did get this knob today. I went over to the guy's house, as I said, and got the motors. He's probably watching this video too. Everything is here. Only thing I got to do is get the clutch, which I do have a SEARS Suburban clutch. I'm gonna see if it'll fit. I just know the arms are not gonna fit because where the frame is dropped down closer to the clutch mechanism, the Suburbans are higher, which is they are longer arms. So I'm probably gonna make new arms. I got to make a brake rod for this and hook it up to the brake mechanism, which is just mostly cut, weld, and that's it. I did put a brake band on it from the other transmissions, and here's the other knob. It's going on the custom 7 when I work on it. I got one more knob on the blue transmission, and the blue transmission is going to go on the 4-speed. Well, I really don't need one more knob. Well, it's nice to have another one. I moved all my tractors down there because we cut this tree down, and it was mostly everywhere. The tree was absolutely everywhere, so I had to move all these tractors. It took me 4 hours to do that, me and my buddy Ben. But it's just an update on the custom, and mostly what I've been doing. I do have the the motor hooked up with the rake, which I call it a rake. It's mostly just a wore out homemade cultivator, dragging limbs and stuff over there. Just drop it down, it drags everything. But buddy, if you're watching this video, this is the arm I was talking about. This arm, as I said, I made it out of rebar. This is the arm I'm talking about on this side, but it swivels to where it goes up and down. Stabilizer bar. See, I made the rest of the 3-point, but that's the bar I was needing. If you can find one, please let me know. I got Tank over here. I've used the crap out of his crane. I've used it so much that it bent the this was an eye bolt, it's not a hook. The eye bolt was all the way pushed back there. It's moved about an inch down. I bet if I loosen this up, I can probably pick the pulley up out of it. I'm gonna take that back off and weld it, or just buy another eye bolt. Buy one that's made out of cast. I've used these tractors a lot. I've used the crap out of this wheel horse. I've used this wheel horse every day for the past 3 days, all day long, and it has just not quit. I like this wheel horse a lot. Got to finish painting it though, but I don't want to paint it right now while I'm doing all the work with it. There's the custom for now. Please comment, rate, and subscribe for more. I'm gonna go try to fit these motors on there and see which one I can fit. See y'all later.